Ready? Look at me, look at me. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Enjoying one of your last days in St. Vincent.
Honestly, I don't even know. I think they will have to come back here real soon.
Right? Yeah. Are you gonna miss me and Christian?
That's an understatement.
Oh, your phone.
Yeah.
So you have 2 days left. You can't even say 2 days because today is like yeah, he has one day left. Say hi, Daddy. Daddy.
Hello.
Say hi, Kevin. That's my cousin, our tour guide. Yep. Kevin, where are we going?
We're going to take at least an hour and a half drive. We're going to the most northern part of St. Vincent. It's called Fitzhugh, so a falls called the Darkview Falls.
Darkview Falls.
Darkview Falls. It's a must-see. There are 3 falls in one, rapid like, and we're going to approach 2. The other one is not accessible.
Oh, it's too high up?
Yeah, you have to have rope boots to go through. Yeah, the plantation farmers boot.
Hey guys, so we are on our way to Darkview Falls. We're going to the waterfalls. We just stopped in the supermarket to grab something to eat and drink. What do you want, babe? The drinks are over here. You want malt? Oh, I thought you said you wanted to get a malt. So we got chicken and chips from Graves Supermarket. It looks really good and the price was really good too. How is it, babe? They're good. That's a lot of chicken for $11. Yeah, there's a lot.
If you are in jail and you haven't got a skill, you learn a skill. So some of those who are skilled persons, they basically work in jail, receive a stipend, right, and then they send it back to their families, basically. So it's just like you're sailing, but you're not with your family, so you can send money even though you are in jail. Okay. And give your family, not big money, but give them a stipend. Something, right? So after some of them are awarded to go to CXC and the common entrance, well, now you come in.
So it's mostly young people?
Young person, those, the idea is to get a skill.
Samantha,
yeah.
There's a lot of teenagers, 16 years pick up gun.
In fact, remember when you yeah, young.
It's a pretty nice jail. It looks like a vacation spot.
Currently at Darkview Falls. This is one of the largest falls on not the largest, second largest on this side.
Which one's the largest?
It's Falls of Balian.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but this basically is like a rapid 3 in 1, but only 2 are accessible. It's about 75 feet drop in both. Wow. Right, but the other one is not really accessible. The last one, the top one, is not really accessible easily. Right, it entails on a trekking before to go into various lands before that you wouldn't have the one time to go up there, right?
Okay.
But this also coming through it or helps with the hydroelectric plant. This propels away to the hydroelectric plant, which will generate electricity around this area. It's also one of our main water catchment area in this section of the island. So going through here, you see the one in nature, different ferns, different bamboo, different flora and so forth in this area. Okay.
Okay, nice. Daddy, you're making it on these rocks? So we are at Darkview Falls and we're about to cross a bamboo bridge to get to the falls. There's Daddy, Kevin, and Tony. And I'm just gonna go in the back right here. Should have worn running shoes. Should we all be on the bridge at the same time? Okay, 8 persons maximum should be on this bridge. Yeah, this is crazy. Oh my goodness, guys, this is so scary. It's really rocky, actually. Was that Daddy whistling?
Oh, we can go in here?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Are you ready, Tony?
Yeah, let's do it.
Ready? Let's go in.
Right?
We're up to falls number 2.
Okay.
Apparently it's a little bit bigger.